I've tried this before with just regular eyelashes and glue, and I haven't liked how that came out, but I feel like with this magnetic girl, I'm feeling like a Snapchat filter. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Hey guys, and welcome back to Happy Care Reviews. I am Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with something a little bit different. I decided to pick up these magnetic lashes from Amazon just to see how they work for me, because I'm clearly not a makeup girl. I clearly do not know how to do eyelashes, so I just wanted to pick these up and actually see how they work for me. And honestly, I feel like it's pretty okay, no? I feel like with a little bit more practice, girl, this could be super cute. So I feel like this is perfect for somebody like myself who's very much a beginner and who doesn't really know how to do this at all, because it comes with this liquid magnetic eyeliner. All you pretty much do is put the liquid magnetic eyeliner on your eye and then apply the lash, and the lash actually sticks to it pretty easily. My left eye was actually way easier to do than my right eye. My right eye ended up having to remove it and put it on again, but all in all, it didn't take too long at all. So as you can see, like there's like a little situation going on there. I got like a little of the liner. What's going on over here? So this kit did actually come with 7 lashes. It comes with 3 tubes of the magnetic mascara, and it also comes with an eyelash applicator. And I feel like as a whole, it's pretty good. I mean, I feel like if you're somebody who's professional, who knows what you're doing, this probably is not for you. But if you're somebody who's just trying to have like a cute little look and you don't really know what you're doing, I definitely feel like this is a good starting point for sure, especially because I am not good at doing eyeliner at all, and I feel like this was pretty easy to get this going. I feel like one of the things I probably would do different is I would put a normal eyeliner on it first and then follow it up with the magnetic eyeliner, because the magnetic eyeliner is a little bit clumpy. You probably can't tell too much, but it's a little bit clumpy just because the lashes need that to actually stick onto. So I definitely would say in the future, if I was to do this again, I would probably go in with regular eyeliner first and then a coat of the magnetic eyeliner on after that. But this is the finished look, y'all, and I feel like it's pretty cute. Like, I feel like it's worth it. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're interested in picking up these lashes, I will leave the links below. I did pick this up from Amazon. Just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units, any other things you want to pick up and try out. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Wading in the water.